Yeah, before my church and when you say you're going other romance, in I am here. But so me fa na I'm saying that the numbers are minimum didn't come work a cry. Answer a neighbor call your topic and so on. If I'm a child, Moya where say I share a registration. I say, it is open you'll be up as a way transformation member. If I child, a video, I say, yeah, the telephone numbers, the actual contact them or match them by Mikua and over fact. The American say, Ebia na wo Ghana ha o kuma say wo nkran wo sunya ba bia wo bia ne wo group wo hotel e be add to the specific platform wo betimi join it so na wo di Ghana ba bia wo bia no country bia was be group was until e be then e be add to your platform no anything no wo be hu say ya pin number bi wo ho number bi contact your office number o contact your mo na wo kan ba bi ko wo wa o be add the attorney said, Zoom meditation for spiritual awareness and so air course. And that is only meant for our registered members. Anything again on Facebook or Zoom. And every registered member be added to the Telegram platform. I wanna get the link in it. The Sunday 5:30 p.m. They are share meditation. I say by be Zoom no exactly 5 p.m. Said the bear will be a bit me join exactly 5:30 p.m. to be share meditation. I say, but I feel no watch a video. No, you can like the video also. Today I want us to talk about very wonderful things. No, maybe a very important. Here we hear me. Here will be a 2 and 4 be up and answer. Invite the person. Let us come and then have this wonderful discussion. Okay. Instead of making a very important. The registration is going on. Your best get a month pay. Obi be an register ID card. What they can register now on Sanyanka or ID card in Abutre, I feel like printed ID cards. Okay? And then I make a no or Facebook how with me following her, with me following our YouTube, so our transformation era. But if you want to become part of the family, now you're a transformation member, which comes with so much benefit, then you need to become a registered member. You'll be added to our Telegram platform where we do our lessons, and then during the Zoom meditation, you'll be able to participate in that. So it's so important. So also you come and join us. It is really very important. Okay. And then we say ye kakra about yankasi abrabomu, how we need to conduct ourselves, how we need to live our life. You see, my main kind of credential asasi we know nyankopon ebo nipa se ne nseso chinye bia enim enam se nti nipa wo nyansa ni nyansa no ene nyankopon nyansan ese. Okay. Nipa ebetu anamo a esese wotimi hu de kodi a oye no na ohu ba bi ku a ode fa se de nyagopon aye mmoa enyansa na mmoa so ani atepa by their own sense no omo follow omo conscience their instinct and nti aboa so hu se aduane da hanana ne instinct ka je se ko fa aduane na dia okọ ho to bobo na okodan no ho obese ba bio. Okay. And more a follow more instinct. And into bone say, or Kraman Bema were far away. Now, Obano, a doing hit period, or best 5 miles away. Or Kraman Bema, the instant actually say, a how koha or baby, I dare do baby, I met him in a dancing, or bet me a treasure for miles. Animals operate based on their instincts. But the human being has been given something that is superior to just an instinct. Do a human being na say we are there based on your instinct. Now on for common sense and kahon. Now on for knowledge acquired and kahon. Then now we are there to say being pretty as obia or yabwa. Don't get me wrong. What I'm saying is Nyankopon eba ade no you were different kind of species. You were 8,400,000 species in Nyankopon abo. That's 8 million no. There were about 900,000 different species are almost in suan. So we call a miaho do Nyankopon ba ye won number e wo ho. Insects abodo Nyankopon bo e won number. Ntakraboa embo omutuko nwiem e wo mo number. Ye wo beast omo number ye wo beast bako 4 million. Aquatics number e wo ho. Sa na ye wo the human species so number one. So the human species no yeah 400,000. And the 400,000 America no yeah nipa ye ka ho. The angels are part. The archangels are part. The demigods are part. The dwarfs are part. The genie, the apsaras, and many other species are considered to be human species. All the 8 million species are considered to be lower species, or species are follow instinct. But the 400,000 species now is considered to be superior species. Follow conscience, follow their instinct, they follow their common sense, and then they follow knowledge acquired or experiences acquired based on knowledge. So nipa bia na person will live na ne ho tono na otimoti abrabase na anamon bi obetu bia ne bekọ wie ni ye no. Say nipa no must be able to apply these methods. And they say you must use your instinct, you must use your conscience, you must use your common sense, and then you must use experiences acquired based on knowledge. And you know, ye nipa na ye say ye bobra na ye betumi adi abrabo na se ate ase ama ye ni atimi agya wa abrabo mu a, it means that this method must be applied in our lives. But unfortunately, many of us are so brainwashed to a point say ye ntimo ntin nsem bi ase. And to obi a onim or can be afan some bi a yenimu a na akoye yem se nipa no ebia se bi mpredesa dan bi na nipa na bo. Amenga de kra bi nchiro. There's a story, a very short story bi na ti ye make ya sipa yi. Me kai pa se me share ase ana me ba Facebook ana me ne kofi TV eye Facebook live no. I do remember very well say amanfo na omu di matem na nya asem ketwa. So me ko tena wo se ya wunya mie wanumpo na amanfo e di watem sa because say and some na wo kan the amanfo nim de da no e ba bira ana ense, and people feel say they all can the minimum inside say me di watem. So people were just insulting. But I knew say obi on wo primary school a e bia make o nursery o ka che say o amango mienu a obetimi ayi miensa firi mana 2 minus 3, is it possible in elementary school, maybe in the nursery or KG? The answer is no. Oh, amango mienu, I won't think you mean some few. Don't catch that probably what KG say. Oh, amango mienu, bit to make you amango means something. But I what I won't answer. Because say, now drink Nini Yansa, Nini Hunu say, oh, amango mienu, I won't mean some few. And it turns out you'll be away about him, and that's been previous. When Yansa, now crowd what 2 years. Or catch your dada. Oh, amango mienu wunti munye miensa mfiri ma wundi abranatem. You need to understand say the level of thinking no no correct. Amango mienu yenti munye amango miensa mfiri sanity. But the more na wunyi ko animo no. Obo so oh amango mienu obetimi ayi miensa mfiri. Wuyi miensa mfiri ma obede ka baako sanity ase ne tie. Anything komo ye di no ho. Akwai bibi ti say biribi atwam na aponkyerene eye toad and as a frog upon Chenibia or that well beam our baby. It can say well as in so Tadiaki to be a tell baby and Poncheni woman way war. And it's one day and then Sukesi be fire and then Susana aircon a fire Ponchene Bacon and I didn't in the Musa and in the one that got topum upon Chenity. Or that tadium a pool, a pond, munoda. And you know, when you say this is the body of water, meaning a pond, a pool. But upon Janeba, a sewer, a susai, and far now I didn't call a Pucassi anymore, who say, hey, or you know, and so no air punumuna upon Chinti Mugunya Jambabi. And who say, and sooner that was a toe, the Cacracano. Things are going to do Yansa as soon as you can see. And so now the moon, a yaw taddy any day. Yeah, made them have. Take it too heavy. Do because and so now the moon can say so. It be a bear 4 meters square, and be a 15 meters square. Because it's in Yaka. This are punch and now Susan no they call a ponano. And no sign bar or tadiana not umudemuno at home. And into a buy no catch any no more walk. Sa pond no na pool no ni say hwe yete ayese yensuo yetemu no so mako hu ensuo bi eda ba bi e na ne kakra ka no nya asem eni ti o kan no sa na emponche ne na omowo sa ensuo kitwe na ye pond na pool no no omo se ne kese ne be se ye de edemu mienu ana o se da bi hwe eso se ni bebre omo se hwe ne kese be se ye ensuo edemu be times 3 and times 4 o se da bi eso se no o se do hwe be times 50 and o se hwe ensuo eso pa o se anto hwe be times 100 and times 200 times 1000 emponche ne na omo wo sa ensuo kitwe ani no they kept on speculating using the body of water na omo timuno as the yardstick omode judge nsuo kese, and they kept on speculating for days. And this new frog now free ocean by say no, so same times 1 million, so same times 3 million. So they kept on speculating, thinking say ometum do nyansa omunhunu atiase say you can say poa epokase no say yebetumi atiase de a yemfa ntoto yensuo yedami ho ne hu say bia o pono so pan de be times 1000 de a na ye de adwen gu so kase kase ye tretre be be kopim duai. But the idea say aponche ne oda sa pond no mo no. So also the adwen air speculate the size of the ocean as in regards to nsuo da mu no. I tell you, sir, Obekoswa speculate for many years on the size of that, because the body of ocean and not the body of water now, a what ocean no, and you can see baby to the point that wouldn't estimate say how many times that small pond, and I bet to compare that big ocean. So many of you guys, seven brothers, my being a question upon Jania or that and Sukitu Ayatadium. Now Obia who say ocean be the baby a very huge body of water baby. Nipana nanti about wo pound no kakra and all che will say wo nsuo dem nsuo ni sha. If say mako nsuo bi an kase no esuma say nipa dwen entimu ntiase. But anam say o mpese be accept anything beyond your mind nti no what the why dwen be sha say speculate say nsuo na wo ka no enem nsuo amedem ni kase be the same. Sa be penalty. So many of you guys find it very difficult accepting things a bro ma adwene mo ntiase so. Ana noma bia bia won say da bia wo papa no maame asori bia wo komu environment bia wo ne area bia wo te no won ti bia sa da nti obi kan na akoye se nipa ne se bi mpre na adwen kra enya adwuma enei bibi sa na mpese ye discuss so that ubenya some foundation bi na obete de make na see hwe nimdie eso ba da ya make say the more you know, the more you'll understand that you don't know. Okay? The more you know, the more you will come to the realization that you don't know anything. And by focus simply say, Ankure hunu ene yedede. Empty barrels makes the most noise. Say bi na wontia say a barrel say ankure and now container be anim. Say wo mimi na wo de kwa na e krom empty, so it makes so much noise. By the same barrel, no say the oil boom, and I did so good a Syria na umimi kwa say making noise there. So by you say empty barrels makes the most noise. And the more that won't no. Then the more na be who say won't nim tino, e be what bread won say. So be no be bia. Now what bread won say no what tie because won't nim do bebrebe ntino, am won say won't nim. But those who doesn't know are almost a small pond moon as the story of the frog and I told they feel so they minim da na minim. Nti obi bia na obeka kire me say nsuo bi eso sen nsuo amedam say ni panadwin enya adwuma. Because of this, many people are so stagnated in life that they are not ready to accept any truth beyond their relative truth that they know. There were two different kinds of truth. Truth is eternal, but we have two kinds of truth. There were relative truth and there were absolute truth. There were relative truth and there were absolute truth. Relative truth cannot be 100%, but absolute truth, 100%. e ka say relative truth ebi ni say wo amango mienu a wuntimu nyi miensa mfrim ewo nursing school but the same question you bisa wo secondary school a obeka say no e possible wo amango mienu obetimi yi miensa mfrim sa no kura we no e relative because wo elementary school wo nursing school a no kura wo mu no e different from no kura wo mu when you get to the university sanso na say you try 9 e de to form okay 9 you try 9 the way you try 9 no I know say 6 no na nipa ba ku ejina manim na so mi gina de ha e face ye ho a na me bisa o say eye den na ma try to form na me na me gina ha me face 9 make so eye 9 by nipa na o gina the other side de be hu say de ma try no eye 6 okay depending on baby a wugina no be hu say the match to one is either say a 9 or 6. This kind of truth no a relative truth. E be no correct depending on the situation you find yourself. But when you say an absolute truth, no matter what no a truth and it say onipa bia no ye be wo. Onipa bia ye wo a wo be nyi. Na wonyi a wo be ya kokora na abrewa. Na wo wi ade wo bu. We a absolute truth ntini amfa ho no baby ko awo obefa saade we nyina no. Life is a cycle. I mean it's a cycle, so you need to understand. And say your work raketwa ngenge na area ontimu nante ewo mu ana nante no say the sin nyina mvv and it ontimu ne aduane a eden like that ontimu kika bibia the more onyi no na ne se eba na ne se eden obetumi awenam obetumi adi eden obetumi adi mako onyi okona no ebedu ba ne ho ayeden achine na ho de na so te to obi ana otimu tutumika fe ontimi ntumika bio ebedu ba bi no kura poma o de be nante ebedu ba bi poma na hwana o wia say the bibi atwam no ya akwa na o wia no ne sini nyina be se atutu afa ade na wontimu ndi ne nkura bere ma onyi ya na odi no se ontimu endi bio makwa na o ya akwa na wontimu ndi onyi ya na otimu ndi no se wa ya abere wa kokra no ontimi ndi makoni bio afa no omoamo no sa no matter how tall or tie no na wa ba ya ketewa bio se na otie a ya wo ne bibi atwam no. Yes, life is a cycle. Cycle we no. So when nim dia obetumi ate abaraba na se ya, woni na musa na se bi mpedi san wo jimi jimi ho. But if you understand the foundation or the elementary of life ebe boam wotumi ate wo ho ase na wotumi atumpon awa abrabo. And then the topic me say consciously planning for your destiny. Me say na dia make can say consciously planning for your destiny. And they say, you can say destiny. What's it say destiny? And I can for you say encrabia. Destiny, you find encrabia. You can say encrabia, and they say before Uba Sasi we so no one casano what planet Accra. Say me kwa asase we so no ade we ni na me kwa yenti mpanfo say wakra ansa na oba nti say nkrabia or cry ansa na oba sa de na boni fe say destiny ne mu ba asase we so a abusia ye ba wum enfia ye ba wo mu kura ye ba wo mu okay ementem wa obewo ma me ko obetete wo papa ko obetete wo no na okonya ade foforo bi ya ye fe ne say shebre. But let me get what try to pay attention. It's very simple, you get it. Me say your destiny. Na destiny no ana broni atolesa but oba kan kasemu a you see your friend enkrabia. Enkrabia ne say answer na oba o ma me yamu no. O cry say ade bi potenti na oba. Okay? O cry say me ko no aha na meko aha na meye say na betumi o cry say me ko akokoye ade wi eno ye nkrabia na emu me nya wo a ma me kro be wo papa kro a o so ma me nyim abusua e wo efia pie mu environment a wo ba bi ko a wo no na ababa ye shebre o kraba yo ba aha na wakwa se ntin abaya wo shebre na sa shebre ne nkrabia so obetimi ati ase ye ne botimi atu ho na mo a ebe ma sabi mbradi asase de wo kraba e na baba mu a you need to begin to act based on your conscience, based on your acquired knowledge. Nimdie bia wanya na bia make say nimdie wu nkura anything as say wonya obi a owo sa nimdie na obetimi akaide wo. So today what we saying is yes, say consciously planning for your destiny. As I say wo sha ase na wo tenase na hu ni say so obi betimi adua mako ama mako na ba after 2-3 months nipa no edo asase na bo dua mako no edu ba bi na asiefu na wado obehia nsuo edu ba bi ko obehia fertilizer ba bi wa de poison abuso mako no eye bunu a ye wode ade ye eba flowers mpa ye wadru a ye spray se be ya the flowers ni entingu na eba be ye bunu a ya twen a ebebere a na ya te ye ti wie na ye mpese ye beto no mu na ya noa se be ya mpro na ye timi ya dry. Way is the destiny of the pepper. And the one I won wu ye akuani na wo ye mako no. So when nim sa nim die we ya ahu e be ya dey say at the end of the day obenya the product na your dried pepper. So for you to be able to become successful, no, you should be able to have your own destiny in your hand. You need to understand what are the basics, what are the fundamentals. E be hia say we pay attention to. So the be ya won krabia na wo de bae no enkoye shebre bone emfama. So that you be able to make sure say the destiny that you have, you'll be able to fulfill that destiny according to how it was planned before you came to the womb of your mother. We want to learn about this science, and this science is so important. Say unim na ulivu anyhow sebi mprebiasa na akoye te say the obi a sebi ebia oye nani oye betwa empe na ontimi enantinko baabi na okopima dim. Abrabomu, you must be able to understand your own destiny. Now, who destiny we are? As someone who say, "Anamon ben, na obetumi etua," and no matter what destiny mono, ebetumi abom. Something that you say, and yet be where your destiny mono is positive. There are some few things in our destiny, and you're positive, and you're negative. So you, as the owner of your own destiny, no. So who no matter what destiny mo eboa ma otimi to anamon bia the negative no obetimi eradicate and obetimi yefi ho and obetimi minimize it. This is a human thinking. The American say enfa so we kremoni enfa so we Christian enfa and now we Hindu now you are Christian. There are some few things here obi bia no will go through it. I mean say shebren en krabia no ye nyina ye kura yan de say dem kai no. So we are Kremoni, so we are Christoni, so we are Christian, we are Hinduni, we are Buddhistini, we are Juni, we are Danyana, answer na ubasa asibistono, ye will answer nabasa so. Because it is the law of nature. I said before you appear in this material world, you must pass through the womb of a woman. Or through the ovals and then the semen together. And son of why then what's me about so. Ubonze ubenyi do point to be said after why akokra why abere why ho de send ni hobi then ya de we ya den ya obeyare sickness we ya den ya obeyare hwe amonfo no mpo mo invent nduro no ompo na ya wu ntem no eno na me hwe Al Jazeera yes some Supreme Court judge bi our US omo se wanya cancer ne kum no hwe obi our USA yes Supreme Court judge omo duani mu to the point say omo otumi omo betimi agele wa kire wo faith tomorrow wo jimi na wo court ho na ne gufu a obetimi agma life sentence wo koma umabio. They act like God on earth, but now me hear you say cancer any kum no cancer the kum no. So what I'm saying is that we ya den ya obeyare because your there is part of natural law. Say the birth part of natural law no. So na old age. So when muntem a so we oba, we obema, so we Ghanani, we Nigeriani, we Bruni, we Bibini, we Christoni, we Hinduni, we Kremoni, we Danya no one muntema, ube ye old person. Because it is the law of nature that nobody can overcome. Then the last one is say, we Danya, so we oba, we obema, we hiani, we sikeni, we tuntum, we koko, we fita, we Hari Christiani. woyɛ Hindu ni, woyɛ Christian, woyɛ Muslim, woyɛ denya ubewu. So these laws are there. So intelligent people or people who have acquired knowledge, they sit down, they analyze everything in Yanko Pombo. No more they buy a befa a better to your bravo. Now they know be they meet me a car. And you'll be a musician. And you'll be they meet me a Dr. Jimon. And there are some few people who winning the say they are able to project into what is in this destiny. Abrabemono and Noma a woman they are able to project and no one named the able to me up wow and watching what from Musum and near same. Can make a big show and you be an Ayan Zao and you be an Ayan who did no and you'll be your Jumadin in the Yiska. Yes, and you'll be your Jumadin in the Yiska. Your money probably 10,000 Ghana, 10,000 Ghana. Monfasha Jubin. Ubamos a Baku, the ability to so Baku, a bayaneka. A yaneka, yes, be a making on his girl penum. No, a yaneka because in destiny, and man of Christ at the oil on yet. There are some people in the villages, or more, or Juma, more payabo. Cabo, more payabo, but some members soon as the car in Ubina. A Yajuma Dempa, but be a Juma, you make it too heavy. Or if I could see the mention say you need to understand your destiny. The friend in Krabiano, who bas are so who crabby beers and our neighbor. Sadiano and the signs of numbers, the signs of horoscope, the signs of numerology, a church, all these things in now I chose say, and now my dear when you deal with this, I am more way now be too. Yahoo Monday, who say Equa Yahoo. Wo yawo Sunday ayakwa yawo Tuesday na ayakwa na da bia yawo wo no there is a meaning to it. You need to get this fact. Da yawo wo no there is a meaning to it. Ja sata ma wo bi o ma do media abrabo no na nyina ne say just jiwani nothing as na di da. No, it is never like that. You need to acquire some knowledge about your own destiny. Sanim diano and the betimi guide o. I am enya won say we ase da o say akọ. Hwe mahu obi a wanya sika pa da. Minimo obi a wanya sika pa da. Na yetru ba bi no obo fam say to afa de old impo na e de ma no. Mahu ni sa ni pa ni bi da. Me say mahu nkrofo bi a they have become so powerful to the point of Mokasana nkrofo hu e wo so. They have become so powerful, say they carry all the powers in the world. Baby no. So flow be crying and pano and ma. I have seen such things in life. Sana mahunkrofobia. Na di omudi krana di mo. They were in serious poverty to the point say even common one city omunya. Baby no. On the yard the four. Omutu ka say adi way a few way car way e media. I have seen something in life. Meaning Grofua may say they've handled power before. Or more cooler to me that. So what name be Ghana hey? Yeah, Ghana high what to see. And China be all 1979, a bar base 1981, a bar base 1992. Now when I'm why we bet me be one I can't summit at TI a former President Roris. One why? So bet my continent videos and what did that Tamaka of Bachano. One why 79 1981 about the 3 hour tama yababa constitutional rule yaba 1992 you won't why say obetina fidie bi so and obetina ba bi no wa bi wa no wa di chairman run that time. It is not possible. It wasn't. By now some people can sit on the radio, the TV, and they can say anything to him. The Americans say I have seen people who have commanded respect before. I have seen people who have actually amassed power and authority before, but they get to a point that they are nothing before people. That is life for you. I have known people they have gotten money before. They were wealthy to the point that they have slaves, they have servants. People were there to serve them, but it get to a point. The see, the Americans say you need to understand a word called destiny. I can force it enkrabia Understand that. So what in Krabia say, now baby it will give you some sense of respect, some sense of humility. See, nimidie eye tumi. Knowledge is power na ye can say. So when you nimidie fa ade bi ho a, e ma hu de wo ye. Please, the Americans say, and we are discussing about consciously planning for your destiny. And yeah, so now I'm going to tonight. No. And yes, I'll call Moscow Allah Akbar. No. And yes, I'll call Temple Akbar. No. You as a person must consciously understand who you are. You need to understand who you are. And then when that knowledge is attained or obtained or realized, then you'll be able to plan. So I tell you, you will be acting like somebody who doesn't know his left from right. So first, you need to understand who you are. Secondly, based on that knowledge, you need to know how to plan your own life. It is not just unknowingly planning your life, but consciously making plans for your destiny. And by the side, success is guaranteed. So, when Benson Abefa obey to me, and yes, I need the Mepato die a wo the day that you were born. Say a wo Sunday. Day into the wo Sunday. Now you wo now your ban one your bema. So the day that you took your birth, no, and by force a kwasiada ewa kan kasem. Kwasiada. Na sa kwasiada no na ko bro kasem ma your friend on Sunday. We are making in the Bible. One thing Bibia say Sunday because Nyankopon ebo wiase no say da edit na wotwe kan. Na de sign na de etin na da edi nkan no eno ye kwase da. Na ba no say ntia ye de beto Sunday. So you be on the history paper who say Constantine or then the cabinet ministers and who say the day of the week na edi nkan no first day of the week was ruled by who? The sun. Owiano. And into the first day of the week in your friend, the Sunday. Okay? And at the second day of the week, the source said the second day of the week was ruled by the moon. Thomas friend said the moon's day on Monday, the day of the moon. And do you be your canny? Now you Monday. Your friend said, "We are kojo and we are joa." When you say according to astrology, the moon, the characteristic of the moon is a cooling, a joe, a boko. What is on the day now? Will be a one Monday, your friend a joa and a kojo. Because the telephone said the day, the second day of the week, now your friend said a joada and as a Monday, was ruled by a personality, not a joe, or a calm, or a cool. So you'll be on in astrology, you'll understand say the moon is very calm, is very quiet, and very cool. And until you say we are kojo and I say we are jua. Because say nothing to the moon say the deity or the personality not or rule Monday, no near friend ajo, ne honjo. Don't forget the same name na ajua no near moon. Moon is very calm and quiet. So names are very, very important. The American say the day that you were born, say you were born, and yet by chance, it happened for a reason. So you as a human being need to understand why you were born on a Monday, and why you were not a girl but a boy, or why you were not a boy but a girl. You need to understand that. Then ask yourself, say, that day Monday na a woman, Ebia na a 20th. Eba no say a woman 20th. Na a Monday. Na ya woman say 20th. Na o chia ebia be say 27th. I know say Mondays and ya woman 20th. So here the number 20 na ya woman on the 20th, it is very important that you need to jot down. Try to walk. Na sa Monday no. Sa Monday na ya woman aye 20th no so no na aye bosomi be mu a na aye September mu diden ya mu January mu ya mu February mu Yang March mu and I say August mu. Name yabe I was September mu. And that day September no na ye 20th. And ye 20th nko na esan eye juada. Na ye wo sa agbada na ye wo anopa awia anwumre ananajo. Den ti na ba na sa. Na ye wia na wabisa ho say na eye afi be mu ne ye wo ye se ye wo 2020. Cha mami ga no kremi nchira mu. Nimdia ru wiase e control wiase. Se mo wo wani amere, se wo mo wani amere na wage so be sua na so betena mu sa se be de wuti mu sa, then you be acting as if se wunye nipa. Now what I'm telling you, I want you to pay attention. Today we are discussing consciously planning for your destiny. You need to consciously plan for your destiny. Because before say oba asatu yeso no, o kra bibi ansa na wodeba. The before say enkrabia. O kra bibi ansa na wodeba. Na kra o kra yenti no, ene ye baba wo Monday. Sa Monday no na ye 20th. Na ye wano pa awia na nwumre. Na on that 20th na ye September. Na ye say after 2020 mu. There is something special, something unique about you that you need to understand. So over to me, I am successful. Yes, there are some people who don't have this information, but I'm very successful. Yes, it's possible. Maybe they were lucky. And if the lucky doesn't come by chance, because they will be piano, Accra and an over. But unfortunately, it's one to me. That's our luck or no. Now what the end said they will be PA 110, some I said no way. The bones of life will be messed up. So please, the day you were born on a Monday. The time you were born, very important. That day, na your date be on the 20th, very important. Na your musumi be mu, na your September, it is also very important. Then na your fibe mu, the year 2020. No, this information, bet me actually will be here about you. Adie bia na opese wu no. Bibi bia opese what tiase no. These few details about you will be able to present you with the knowledge, with the understanding and everything what you as a human being. The day you were born, the time of that day, the date of that day, the month of that day, the year of that day. So information way, if you have this information, those who are well informed, those who are very important, when it comes to knowledge, they will be able to derive information about your personality. They are friend on Krabian, they are friend of destiny. No, said they be able to me guide you with those information. Said they be able to me guide you with those information. And you know, among four or more tumpon wa brabum, if it was as we so no, or when you be aqua. Share, you ever talk about politicians. Those who are very intelligent, you know, they are not just doing anything anyhow. Even the colors they are using, and no more body, all those things in no, they know why they are doing that because some of them know, Omoko Abisa Kobisa and Kofo Omunim, Dokan Bhagavad Gita of the third Vidi, Prani Patena, Pari Prasena Sivaya, or Padi Shante, Teganam, Gianina Tatodas Naha, Bhagavad Gita 434, or say just try to learn the truth by approaching a spiritual master or someone who knows. Try to learn from the person, inquire from him submissively, and try to render service unto him. When the person is pleased with you, no, obey director, obey guide, because then they have already seen the truth. Say, see, we are free, we are. What's the demon now? Come again, we young kikau. What did you always say? See, I will fret ambulance. Nay, but Tamon, you do us on the yacht that you say your idea. Doctor, the wall, Pandy, and no more draw pay of the neck. Who say, I did be a hooligan, I didn't want to know if you know one news of an uncle. Obi will have a company will drive you cum. None of call unconscious. You have to come people. In your hospital, what doctor, your banner, or your back could be an or one penny beer from Nippon home. Let me tell you, Nimdi to me, you should be able to get knowledge of your own self. If you don't try to rule your own destiny, I tell you, say your life will be a mess up one. try say one kasa no ubetumi control life. So the Americans say those who wants to know their destiny, that nkrofo mbeso mu omun krabia aduma say wuye abrabo even there are some numbers in part lucky numbers color kra na say wo there are people, I mean there are some colors for your own star. There can say days, a good day for you to start business, a good day for you to start anything that bet me a benefit or no, who good days. Ya buy a dear mua, one of the acquiring a hen fa who be a dear or Obi wa the idea the sound of the Bakadakam. Obi the Ohana Yadi a young, Obi the in the night, Obi the ban and the Bama, Obi Bia was special place at Yadia Betinia. When you sign in dear way, I'm not about what me to animal. And Bo Mamba on your motifio and Crano. At times, and no matter what, a human great arch a bit me a yard warm. The bang and a year or more best days. Colors ben a more best colors. Numbers ben a more best numbers. Now, ya dear Ben and Crano bit me a bit near how. So, yes, I'm in dear way in Anna. It me wow and I will guide them crana. Omon krabia no mode ba asase bi tu no enkonko ye shebre bone because ubetimi guide woman no ama mana ba betimi said ye wo ye fun ye wo ya wantena fie na wansu nko ore ko to doctor nya drum awo no sanso na information about your own destiny no there are people who have been trained to have access to those information scientific knowledge. Yeah. Many of you on this platform, every year, na me kase, adie we ni betimi to based on the constellation of the stars. No, munim said they are echo. And then I mention adie bi, and then ye admin platform. So me say ye member baako, or they adie bi abeto. Me mboni din, but now we platform so never mean kind exactly what was there. Me say me huma. He was saying something very important about the forecast this year 2020. Me bajo teni the forecast no ba bia me tro man no and I was screenshot here o say we have a crave to make am mama. And woman said this time you may have to face or deal with some major issues or court case because of some sort of fight or aggression in the past from 16th August to 4th October 2020. This, according to your forecast for 2020, must be taken serious. But you tell me, this was the forecast that I sent to the person this year, January. Or say, you may have to face or deal with some major issues or court cases because of some sort of fight or aggression in the past from 16th August to 4th October 2020. It means that from 16th of August up to October 4th, no, according to the forecast, an obeying serious court issue. I'm not just say, and I went to the court on the 31st of August 2020. Huh? January, and it says, a free August, 16th August, 4th October, no, this period, you know, Obenya court issue. That's why you're very careful. And according to him, on the 31st of August, you know, he had to go to court for a very serious issue. I am telling you, sir, everything about you is in the stars. Everything about you is in the stars. So you need to get information about yourself, about your children. Here, our dear Mumpo. And your baby and I'll bet me a water now, I didn't be ye. And your baby and I'll bet me a water now, I didn't be ye. Every business, okay, joint business be. And you'll be another year joint business at a ye. There are people one of the years a big group. Huh? You will be open $100 billion. Now I'm going to join business in a big group. Because and yes, time be an a woman to me na come home a year juma. The American Messiah said, you need to have control over your own destiny. And someone can say, control. Yeah, Frank, I can't go there. Frank, You need to have control over your own destiny. Nipa deseni men tena when men live life anyhow. You need to be knowledgeable about your own self. Especially your maya ni omoteno ye hu de ngwane beye omadwuma beye nti enei se me ne mo kasa wia na wo yo bi a ebia men ready with destiny ma wo da me pa cho within with date of birth send them me WhatsApp no so me pesa me ye best 1 week ni me pesa me ye say adwuma ma ye members no nti me say from next I best 1 week time no this is what I want to do over send me within any with date of birth me pa me say with date of birth with date of birth and kasa de ye wo no enye say bia de okofa obi wo ha ye wo ni date bi excuse me be okopa adwuma bi aye nti no na wa change the date of birth yeah no me pe wo original date of birth na say ye wo the 20th wa 20th na ye wo no there is so much information about you why you were born on the 20th. Ye wo on the 20th wa there are many things about you. Okay? 20 no there are many things about you. Anything that ye wo me pa cho say wo send it with date of birth na me pa say wo be tro e wo west men tro no say bia 2 e bia 4 1994 no say 20th September 2020 wo be tro 20 na tro September no SEP September 2020 say wo send it sir I will tell you say information about 20th na ye wo no what stands for you. September na ye wo no what stands for you. 2020 na ye wo no what stands for you. And how can you na bo mu a ebe ma number ben either number 1 up to number 9 dey na gina homa. Na adwuma ben na wo asisa wo ye. Na se ye ba ya de mu a wo na bia kwa no. Wo part ben na be hawo. E bia na wonim. E bia me ken na wo de ta mu nyanso. But make sure specifically say this part of your body na say ade say eba eno na be hawo. Days nyame boy no eye Sunday to Saturday emu de hin na ye wo lucky days a say bia wo ya de bia sombo ma pa ese se wo ye se ye ka se ye pe wo kalesa wan kasa no o koto ka bi wasi fie bi wo born in chance so business bi na wo ye wo pe kalesa bia ya kala ben na ye good for you a wo betim dia manage wan kasa bo life all this information in a bed ye de be mo e ade am se be free ende nti wo ye obi a some of you guys are mayama moda eje na hia ba mo a me redeem moda no. Please, you will send it this way. Now, I'll send it. Now, me bibia sama we ne bia bibi chire wa adina person obi samia. I will take time from today up to then now watch many time. I'll pick the calls. The code there na e bia won tias and I will pay more explanation based on their mechanical me trauma no. Then I will be able to respond to it. The American the TNE. Me say who say my life na we are. The obey say obe sending me within any with date of birth. So ope kwa na ba bi kwa wo sisi e no betimi a ade aka ho dey make us say o me ko fi asamwa ye o me 20th September 2020 me wo Accra ana me wo Kumasi ana me wo Sunyan ana bia me wo US ana me wo ha wo betimi a ade aka ho. I will go through it and I will do that for you. Nyankopon ya adom na me ye ba nyina wi a I kire me per time na ma kire o say ka say obi a wo past life I will read into your past life for you. Now who say no ma bi atoto ne no enye ne na sha ase e ya de bi esi biribi atwa ne nsunsanso ne na eba nde me pa twa wo twere wo date of birth ne wa ha ni pe wa ha doso information no ba akofo bi abetiki birth 10 to 15 minutes metimi aiden aka calculate timintimu enya ma wo ha na emo me kasa wi a me telephone number ni 00233 262 143963 me say 00233 262 143963 me number ya ba ko pe to send the number na me say wo send it na me nya respond ma wa men repeat it because me share say figure share say can it me ko share say from the bottom of the messages no na me ye ba de bia wa send me da me nya respond no say repeat bi no e be say akoso de be chance na do so me say obetwe udin with date of birth na ba bia wo say wa Accra wo Kumasi wo Sunyan wo Togo wo whatever twe no ka no the part of me see date of birth no say wo channel say 20/9/2020 men kan men yamma tieni because omo US no omo di kan e de month na ba and na day na ba nti we na saa na ebetimi amese the numbers na eye wo star numbers no and do be tire 20 September SEPTEMBER like that 2020 now I can say me din the say me wo ha na wa twa the account I will do that reading for you if you neko ya be say 1 week this is what I want to do anything me say me yama wo wie na ebia wo kenkan bibia wie na pese wo bi say question bi fa ho a na wo frame me then I will be able to explain things for you abusie dia make can say nyame na go wiase na wi o nyame na go ni wiase wi e no ena ono a chese asase se wo di mankan hyemu mankan no ebenyinya ba mo no wadi wo de tomo de ba hyemu a ebe fifira ba na wo e de wonya bi ayam kwan adi se wo tena se ne wansua nimdie se o asase me de ban hyemu a menya bibia di me de makoshe menya bibia na wo te wana wo kombenze kom de wa se bi na unyusu wa ade ade bia na ebe hia se yen kra bia na ye de ba asase we so no ebetimi akohye hyebre pa no nyankopon de ni nyina maye nimdie bia nyankopon ni ye hia ebetimi am ye tumpo wa abrabom no saa nimdie no nyankopon de ni nyina maye the only problem is say we are not ready to use this knowledge. We are not even ready to even learn because unfortunately no asumbia ye wom any insemhunu bi amanfo bi akeka kire ye ntino we are not even ready to even avail ourselves to this information e ka kire say bribi atwam 200 years ago so bi ka kire say bedu bribi afidie bi ba e fa say mobile phone na za afidie no bi betini atwa video o twa video no na say wo America mpo na o number o send ma wa za video no twa wo Ghana no wo be hu anko bi anyi ni tiere me kani me say 500 years ago so bi ka kire wo say e ba be du bi ma afidie bi ba e fa say smartphone as a phone no betini ye video e wo Ghana hey obi wa America within 1 minute na watimi send this ade na odi wani hu ye no akoma nipa manipa na hu a nko obi nyi ni da enso ne aba a ye di akire tinu nimdie bia ni ho a abin nimdie bia ni ho a ade bia ni ho nimdie ni ho ade bia ni ho a hu nimdie ani ho ade bia hu nimdie e wo nti wankasa na wabra bo na wo bo no the Americans wankasa wo destiny no make sure say you have your destiny in your own hands. Because our destiny ya dia wankasa na ye na hunsunsanso ne ba sanso na obetimi aye bibia obetimi asesa nomom se wo wonte ase e wo destiny no mu a yeah some of us you know we don't just do anything anyhow before we do anything no, we have to ask because me can wuni se dia me can wu yesikafo a mo busia no mo family doctor ho busia ni bia yare na afre no se dia mo kwa no wa na se omra fi because oye mo family doctor abusia bebe o ha omo family lawyer sa asem bia ba na ye court asem ayemra asem ba na ya frɛ ye family lawyer ba wo tu hei wunni ene family coach life coach bia abrabo no so wo bo no enye bibia na oye betimi ayeye tinyo obi o wonim dia obetimi ahwem se ade na wo ye no anamo na opese wutu no se wo ye ni seye ya na betimi aboa enyame na ayo o de sa nim die ni nyina de ato oba on for so mfa nche wutirim o ma ho kwan a na watimi ai den asua did I make answer from today going menem ka say we are obetimi ai den asende within with date of birth ne ba bi kwa wo send o message na free no tweli nyina ka ho e be bo am matimi I read a lot of things about you me say me ka say with date of birth dan ka say ye wo so we obi a wa change with date of birth o be kire the original one na amame okay o kire the mame a na ma hwehwem edi nkan say wo 20th a the code say wo hu as a 20th born person say wo 20th September aduma kwa say wo ye ya the kura be how column pa ya best for you you come with numbers what are the best numbers for you you can say good days and lucky days are days be na lucky days na ba ya de mu ya de ben e na be how e na aduma ben kura na wo betimi aya ebeti be mo wadi obi aye teacher adwuma even adi once in poni but say teacher adwuma na obi tumi ya di sifie e de toka obi etimi ton gold o dealing in gold obebo ka akọ jail obi ton koko no de atifi ahwe ne manyina school obi ton koko keke obi ton kose keke mata keke otimu adidi ani te wono so wotimi hu ba bi ku a wo free a ana be che ba bi ku a wokọ that information we enya de enya wo books mu e wo school mu no enya nimdia a enya e wo school mu na mo enya nimdia e science and profo sua no matimi dia boa foforo obi say what about if you don't know your day of birth me pa kire wonnim o day of birth there or other information how betimi di generate and say wo din nkasa ye wo wa ye to wo no yes I know it take time for you to calculate all that but information is say wo din wo date of birth the yen ne ya ba so me srew obi bia na wo be wo no but modern said that wo ba time a wo ba bo so me kro ne afekro mu memma wo yire mfi twede to baabi because ehia pa many of us omo wo enkurase ana se be yebusuafo your parents no omo ntelam ko school no omo nshara kwa mpa ye date no kwa yere amfa ntu hoyi many of you mu date kwa mu yusu no kwa ye no kore because e bia ye Wednesday Wednesday no na ye bia ye 14th e bia September ba o ma amede ma wo no o se ye 15th September o ba ko check calendar no no na 15th September na nya Wednesday ya na ye Thursday means say ye 14th mum enye 15th and into we obi a wo hebela so hu the real data ahun wo betimi kura e den akọ Google na what type say bia 20th September 2020 no na ye day ben ye be kan say na ye day say so hu sa day no a and am the wow we and e be real date of birth and this information with the bar ye betimi aye bibia e dey amount the best I will say ba chow wo be send me within with date of birth now we date no say 20th September 2020 I say 20 September training na SEPTEMBR September 2020 oko train only 20/9/2020 menye tiniye training na mame na ba bi ku a wo di free no se dia go sunyan me wa Accra me wo Kumasi me wo UK me wo US me wo Sweden ba bi a wo twere ka ase pe pa chaw me twere bi bibia information bi ahia bia no first thing about 20th na ye wo no what are the things you need to know about yourself then September na ye wo no what are the things you need to know then year na ye 2020 no what are the things you need to know now can you na the boom number ben na say number and what are the positives what are the negatives na afen so no o color den afen so no o lucky numbers den ebiom o lucky days den na ye ba ya de mu ya de be mpa na be ha wa ba bo mpa den sanso na adwuma ben na obetimi aye betimi mo atumpon wa brabo de american me say send the bra me number 00233 262 143963 me number no obia the number bia send you message bia anya giana me number ni 0023326214393 because we na I will start responding to these messages na me pa cho enne so wo send them me na me respond ya enne me mfre me o kire nyankopon ya adom a every 12 p.m. kono but that time na matimi answer go for be na wa frɛ me men pese wo be send ya ma me wie ya pe na wo frɛ me wo be disturb me and today wo send them me a na me respond them out can don't call me until tomorrow after 12 p.m. that time no na matimi aya mani pa bebrebe ntimi nya bre na ma receive calls na ma church no mum at the amount ade ehia me pa ye say what send ba na me respond na when I was our friend I wouldn't be happy with you because nipa said many people will be sending their details for their information. The messenger was say and they men frame me what they are say over send it with din and with date of birth me say with date 20th September 2020 training in album 20 September SEPT like that I know what 2020 Fabulous I remember train 20/9/2020 we understand I responding to it number bi ku a wo send no what twerɛ e de aka ho me wo kuma se wo sunyan me wo takwa me wo bekwai me wo US me wo ha twerɛ fa sha ase until me say na de wo send ma me don't call me because I will be dealing with many messages. Obi say number again me say me number no 00233 262 143963. Me say 00233 262 143963. So this is it. And I was for Yakupon Yadoma Sunday. You buy a Zoom meditation for spiritual awareness, 5:30 p.m. Kenya Shasi, but 5 p.m. Now you be a Zoom in your tour, so the will be able to me joining. Okay? So when register, I share registration. I say number be what I say. Contact the number no. O contact the number now. But because will be a group will hunt or best send it or details na come executives now or normal add to the platform. They are do we are then yes our Zoom meditation now link will be sent to only our registered members. Now what to me are benefited from those things. There was a main from question video we are back of to YouTube our transformation era. Obey to me subscribe. I have so many videos there. And now you will be able to use Android phone. Me pacho call Google Play Store. That type of transformation radio. What download this app now? What say transformation radio no yeah logo no. I mean app no. It's a transformation logo. You trade transformation now what download this app no. Me video bia my bia no ewo ho. And the other thing I will call YouTube now search it. I have me video bia or you can just scroll, see the title and then watch. Transformation radio. Now download this app no. In fact, more use iPhone no, ne Apple product no. You update it, but you get response to the change say Apple for be approve my. Now most of them use iOS and I say Apple products no. Most of them download this app no. But for now, the one who use Android phones no. Mo beti me download do your transformation, your app no. A radio ho. Your baby have 24 radio with and you may be. And your baby so have so many videos ho. And many of our employee pictures may be so ever. So this is the app, a transformation for app. But the moment see here, say the mechanic. So what send them details now? You don't need to call me, man, from me. Me respond them out right now. Don't call me today or China after 12 p.m. Ghana time. No, ubit me a friend now. One in Chichemu, efa the betrayed them out. But I must see the baby Musunia saying, Yanko Empangu, the baby Shania Dom, or Fandomina. But I must see Sunday you be share on the Zoom meditation for spiritual awareness. Or you'll be a registered member. Talk to your executive member, say, or more add you to the Telegram platform. So, but I must say, Yanko Ponko will be out. Bye bye.